So as you see, that mommy life. Sometimes we get dressed on time and sometimes we do not. Since we're in quarantine, there's no rush to get dressed today. Hey Divine Dolls, I'm back and today will be a full with me video. But before we get into this video, if you have not subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button today and turn on the notification bell so you can be the first one to be notified whenever I upload. So, let's get into it. Let's fold up some clothes. Are you ready? I'm not. As I said before, I don't like to fold clothes, but someone has to do it.